Good morning, preschoolers. This is Mrs. Allison, and we're going to take a look at our calendar. So today we're going to start on Tuesday, May 5th, because we didn't have school yesterday. On Monday, May 4th, there wasn't any school. So today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. And we have a brand new month. This month we have some birthdays. We have on Thursday, May 7th, we have Christian's birthday in my blended class. On Tuesday, May 12th, next week, we have Kira's birthday, and she is in my Thursday morning class. And way down here at the end of May, we have Nico on May 28th, and Nico is in my blended class, and Vivian, and her birthday is on May 29th, and she is in my Monday, Wednesday, Friday class. So happy birthday to everybody, and I wish we could celebrate your birthdays together, but I hope you have a great birthday, especially to Christian this week on Thursday, May 7th. We have some other special days in May. We have Mother's Day on Sunday, coming up on Sunday. It is Mother's Day on May 10th. And we have down here on Friday, May 22nd is our last day of school. So that will be our last day of school for this year, for 2020. All right, we're going to take a look at some letters.
Choose a letter.
And we only have 3 letters left to learn in the month of May. We have X, Y, and Z. And this week we're going to be learning about the letter
X.
So we're going to take a look at X. So X is kind of a hard letter. There aren't a lot of words that start with X, but there are some words that have X at the end. And X makes a K sound. When we say, like we say fox, we hear that K sound at the end. So we're going to take a look at X, and if you look at letter X, capital X or big X and little x look the same. They are the same. It's just that one is bigger than the other one. And this week, one of our art projects is to make a xylophone, which starts with the letter X. So if you watch the video of my art projects, you'll see our xylophone art project. So let's take a look at these pictures. Here we have
6.
Volcano, olive. So which one has the letter X in its name? If you said 6, you are right, because you can hear that K sound at the end of 6. Let's check our answer.
Good job. 6 has the letter X in it.
Awesome. Great job. Let's try that again. All right, here we go. We have 3 more pictures.
X-ray, cap, yogurt.
Which one did you hear the letter X?
Cap.
I don't hear it in cap.
Yogurt.
I don't hear that K sound in yogurt.
X-ray.
X-ray. Oh, do you think that one is right? Let's check our answer.
Fantastic. X-ray has the letter X in it.
Great job, preschoolers. Let's try that again. All right, here we have 3 more pictures.
Box, mat, pizza.
Let's see.
Pizza.
Pizza. I don't think I hear that X sound in pizza.
Mat.
Mat. Nope, I don't hear that X sound in that one.
Box.
Box. Do you hear it? I do too. Great job. Let's check our answer.
You did it! Box has the letter X in it.
All right, let's try that again.
Choose a letter.
Oops, I think Mrs. Allison goofed. She hit the wrong one. Let's try
X.
that again. All right, here we have 3 more pictures. Lemon,
Axe.
axe,
Envelope.
envelope. Let's see, which one do we hear the letter X in its name?
Envelope.
Envelope? No, I don't think so.
Lemon.
Lemon. What letter does lemon start with? Ooh, I think you are right if you said the letter L. Awesome. Let's take a look at this one.
Axe.
Axe. Listen carefully. Do you hear that X sound? I do too. Let's check our answer.
Fantastic! Axe has the letter X in it.
Great job, preschoolers. You did an awesome job with the letter X. And I'm going to sing you a fun little song that I like to do sometimes with my preschoolers, and this is how it goes. A-hunting we will go, a-hunting we will go. We'll catch a fox and put him in a box, and then we'll let him go. That's a fun rhyming song that we like to sing in preschool. And did you hear those words? Fox, box. They both have the letter X in them. Now we can sing this song with other words that rhyme and they don't have to have the letter X. Let's try it again. I have a word in my mind. I'm going to sing it again. A-hunting we will go, a-hunting we will go. We'll catch a dog and put him on a log, and then we'll let him go. There, did you hear the rhyming? Dog, log. So that's just a fun song that you can try at home and see if you can think of some rhyming words. They don't have to have the letter X in them, but if you can think of some rhyming words for that song, that would be great. All right, preschoolers, thanks for joining me for calendar time.